It's really fun.
Stop turning it private. It's not private, but public. Keep
Stupid.
it private.
Who's changing it to public?
Not me.
For real.
Oh,
Bro!
mm.
I'm
Ready
fixing
up.
this. Keep on going.
Leland, ready up. It's really fun.
One person change it at a time.
There you're gonna go. Ready up.
Private game, just leave it that way, please.
Please. Why? Because the Windows 65
The
is not being
fudge?
unique.
Zach, how do you enable Windows on my keyboard again?
You just do function and Windows button. Pen's falling over.
Falling over. Is there
Who's there? Six of us. Who started it?
Who started it?
Not me.
Who's the little cookie bread started it?
Oh.
No, started it!
Oh.
Alan, die. Alan, crash into me. Let's see who wins.
Okay. Hey.
Zach, that's me.
Interesting.
Alan, can you?
Yeah, he does. Casey.
Alan, can you send me the code for the thing?
Kill each other!
No.
From above.
Might as well just kill each
Why?
other.
Because we're currently in a game.
Might as well just kill each other.
Ah!
Guys, $5 you jump in the store.
Oh,
$5 you stay in the store. $5.
30.
$5 you stay in the store.
I'll help you.
Bro, Asher got this short.
Alan, do this really fast.
Okay.
$5
No, I
to jump
turn
in the
really
water.
fast.
$5 to jump in the water first. $5 to jump in the water first.
Don't listen to him out.
I have 25
Alan,
minutes
just
left.
keep driving backwards.
You off.
$5.
Okay.
Till I have to go.
$5.
But I can get back on when I get to my desk.
$5 you jump out the map. What's opposite day? Giggity, giggity.
But it is. Ha ha ha.
This opposite day. Is that how it works?
It's scary how many people there are.
Well, man.
Oh my gosh, so many
Everybody
people
go
are
for
gonna
Alan.
die.
He's the one who's on the outside.
Help
Or he's
me!
the one standing still.
Help me! I'm upside down, guys.
Yes, don't leave.
Oh, you two.
Maria!
Zach, stop. Everybody hung out in the corner.
Hello?
I lost an ambition.
Alan, can I have this one?
No. Yes. No. Yes.
Wait, it's opposite thing. Now you have to say yes.
Why y'all going to me?
Oh no!
Wait, then you're basically saying not to give me your password. To not give the code.
No, give the code. It's not opposite then.
Oh no!
Okay, so it is opposite day.
No, it isn't. Man.
Yeah, it
Oh,
is.
wait. Something
Hey,
about
there you sit wrong.
Take that!
and opposite day.
So opposite.
You can't end this.
Alan?
So they're basically saying that it can end?
No.
Yeah.
You have to,
He
you have
is.
to use reverse psychology. Is there anyone
Yeah.
else who's actually
Get new! Get new!
No, it's
Get
actually
new.
Get new!
Get new. Get new. Get new. Wait.
Get new! Get
I
new!
love jumping off cliffs.
Get new. Huh?
Yeah, he was. Yeah, he was.
Get new.
I enjoy.
Why are you kicking me for
lips.
not getting? Why are you kicking me for not moving?
For real, man.
Real man.
It's off.
Guys, watch this.
No, it's not.
Guys, watch this.
I'm trying to connect
Ew.
something, so
It's not.
getting it.
No way.
Whoa.
No way. Push him off.
What type of cult is this?
We're shrouding pain against each other. Oh.
You guys are terrible.
What type of goddamn cult is this?
Right there.
No,
No.
my head crashed.
No. It's the
Bro, man, why you kiss that guy? I'm not. He's talking stupid.
The first time I met him, he said, I told you this.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna play Sonic Elite.
Get dude!
That kid is like really annoying.
Oh, watch this.
Get noob.
Get dude for. Get dude!
Get noobed.
Your truck.
Monster Maniac.
Sorry.
Right.
I drank some beer before I got behind the wheel.
Bro does not spun out.
If you, hey Casey, if you drive off the edge, you get 10 billion V-Bucks.
Where's my 10 billion V-Bucks? Where's mine?
Oh, you're so fat.
And you
Roll
get
it.
10 billion knives.
Zach, guess what?
If you drive into Storm, you get 10 billion knives.
Get your ass in the storm.
Where are knives gonna get me?
Murdered. Oh, 1 HP.
Casey, Ricardo, and Casey are at 25.
Whoa. Oh no!
Yo!
Did it.
I did it! Sorry guys, that was my phone.
I did it, officer. I murdered them all.
Sorry guys, that was my phone. Not me, man. That's my phone. Bro! If you actually do, what will I do? Oh no, I'm gonna cry in my bed tonight, bro. Oh my. Well, maybe you should have told me first before I started playing Soundboard.
Guys, push Ricardo off.
Too bad.
I think he's my good dude. No.
Can someone help me?
Oh my gosh, it's reporting me. I'm so scared.
Oh!
I'm dead.
Oh my gosh, I'm harassing him, bro. I'm hassling him. I'm
I
harassing him, bro.
somebody else grabbed off of their truck and landed in the water. The thing with like going using to ransom is that it's dangerous.
Guys, I was harassing him. Guys, I was harassing him.
The truck wheel's directly in this guy.
No, but I'm emoting him. That's technically moving. Where am I?
Bro, why are you people getting kicked for not moving? It's stupid.
What do you mean people are getting kicked for not moving? He hasn't even kicked the actual person.
Yeah,
That's
but
so dumb.
he's kicked for not moving. What if they're doing
I
stuff?
broke Asher's ankles. I broke Asher's ankles.
But what if you have to do something?
Should've saw
Well,
it.
that's too bad.
Come at me.
What if they did say it, but you didn't hear it?
Oh, that thing might be on.
I'm in storm.
Oh no!
Ricardo out in the storm. Yeah, it was like split second before he could get back. Dies.
Yeah, this is so helpful.
I play a hell of a free.
How dare you?
What?
You nearly just killed your.
Ricardo, you're playing with
Hey
fire
guys.
here.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Wall back. Wall back. Wall back. Get in the star!
Oh my gosh. Let's play Trick Pursuit, guys.
Ricardo.
Alan, all you have to do is make a cardigan form 1.
Suicide!
Live.
Ah! Zach.
I think it's gonna kick me, man. I think it's gonna kick me, man. I'm not even in the game.
Not being alive.
I killed Zach so easy. Die!
No.
Ree.
Ah!
No.
No!
I missed the part where that's my
Tell your
problem.
truck to stop pumping his truck.
I missed part, but that's my problem.
Cardo, tell your trucks to stop pumping Alan's truck.
Alan, if you stop moving, you won't.
Playing with fire.
If you stop moving, you won't get kicked.
No, we're
Keep
not.
moving, you will get kicked.
Oh, Alan's winning.
You don't! Back up!
Heal off without heals.
Oh, no!
The storm.
This is absolutely
Alan, you win these.
legendary.
You win these.
4 kid at street before the cars can't fit in it anymore. This is
Big bro, fatty!
No, Ricardo, you're pushing me in storm. Ah.
Yes, sir! 25 HP and so on.
Oh, I know.
I know. I should be dead.
That round lasted 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
First, I broke Asher's ankles, and then that punch that started flying over it. Slap. Dad, my God! Oh. Come at me! Yeah.
I was just driving around and someone hit me.
This is
Who is this?
Brooklyn ankles. Hey, where did Snow go?
I went. I already said that earlier. I left. But I told everyone else that.
Back here.
Get up! Get up! Get up!
You're what?
Get up!
Ricardo, let's jump.
Whoa! Man. That's my truck.
Ricardo, stop pumping it.
Help me!
Why'd you kick Asher?
Wow!
Why'd you kick Asher? Good, that's stupid.
Wait, someone just texted me. Ah. Hi, getting off. How are you?
Wait,
I get it.
Alan, are you
How are
getting
you?
on?
Getting on what?
Are you staying on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm staying on. Where's Ricardo?
Oh, he's in game channel.
Yeah. Tell him to.
I actually
join the party
did request
invite
to join.
I sent him. Tell him to join the party. There we
Guys,
go.
can someone help me?
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, Casey.
I'm gonna be waiting in the lobby.
Bye.
Watch this one.
Ankles broken.
Yo, I need, can I hit some rap? No, we punched me. Whoa, no. What the
Who's in the blue
Someone
car?
help me. I'm not.
Right now.
Oh, ankles!
Who's in the brown car?
No, no. I'm sad.
Leave Ricardo.
I'm sad. The store.
He won't let him die. Actually, no, he's dead. Yeah.
Least threatened car crash I've ever been in.
I'm gonna watch YouTube.
What do you guys?
Pumping each other's cars.
Can I have a water bottle real quick?
Stop. What are you chasing over there? Oh! Sure, stop!
I didn't even mean to hit you, man.
Fine. Weekly. Oh, man. Oh, no. Oh, Mia. Mia.
This is my video, man. Why my video popped up?
Oh, on the glacier.
Ah, thank you.
Dang it.
I can see you guys trying to hit. Very, very obvious.
I just didn't think her foot's all the way.
Man.
Okay, where's she going?
last hit until I die from storm.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh no, get out!
Hey, come on, guys, hit it all.
How you doing?
And why are you stopping me from going in storm?
I don't want you to. Oh! I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. That is the dumbest thing ever. Oh my god. Ah, Sylvain. Yeah. I'm going to punk your mom. What?
Okay, do it then.
Wait, what?
Actually,
You guys can't touch this. I can touch you. Oh!
no.
I come here to try to just watch that happen.
Off the big island, I'm trying to get this one.
They lose.
I'm gonna go back.
Damn, bro, look like someone's gonna have
Hey,
to
stop throwing, man. Not throwing it.
Oh no!
Man, he's not throwing it.
Asher, about that Giga. Oh, Casey, I'm gonna roast this Giga.
Oh, the king. Right.
Come at me, head on! Hey, go over there, wait, go over there, Asher, go over there. Go over there and go head on, okay?
Yeah, I need to do something.
Bye.
Get down here!
Nani? You're poo poo fart. You're a little pepper fart. Your little
Okay,
pepper fart.
Asher.
Yeah.
Invite that
he's gonna
TG guy and Casey. I want you to roast him if he joins.
I don't roast.
What?
I pull them up in my kitchen.
No, be Jeffy Drama for a minute.
Distinctions invited me to their party.
I'll catch you.
Catch you! No! Hey! Someone! It's still a bull ride. Oh, you're trying to kill me like that. Someone go over there.
We'll all charge head on, okay?
So head on. Like how that.
And we'll meet in the middle. Casey, go over there.
I'm gonna make
Yeah.
some combos.
3, 2. We're all gonna charge in the middle. 3, 2, 1, go.
You messed up. Go back.
Wait, go back.
Flying. Are you ready?
3,
I'm waiting in the lobby.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alan, wanna watch YouTube?
Ankle.
Oh no! I'm still alive.
What are you doing? This is like
What?
us last night. Ricardo, this is like me and you last night. Just playing around.
Just stay on the other side.
I got you, man.
Yeah.
You were saying?
You're saying. Oh no.
Okay. I'll probably go outside.
Yeah.
Ricardo, don't
And
try.
the shoulder disconnect, bro. No. Psych.
Do you guys want to watch Cursed Sonic?
Yeah.
The Cursed Sonic from the Sonic movie.
No! Almost dead, man.
Just fights wild animals and a bat.
Oh yeah, I seen that. I actually got Discord. I just kind of want to see that. I just want to see that.
That's the only things he actually fights. He's chaos emeralds.
Watch on Discord.
Reset. Help.
Because he can't rely on his own. Sector Flash.
Help me raise up a car.
Shoot. Car pooped this.
You're so skibbity. You're so venom dust.
Let's go. I have to get off, guys.
Oh, bye.
Oh,
My jackass.
Let's go on
Bye.
Discord. Let's go on Discord. Let's go on Discord.
I can play later.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me see the back at.